Unlocking financial freedom. Loans and credit in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an essential part of English vocabulary, particularly when it comes to money and banking. Our focus is on loans and credit. This topic is not only significant for day-to-day transactions but also for understanding financial news and banking in English. Let's get started. A loan is a sum of money that you borrow with the promise to pay back later, often with interest. The interest is a percentage of the money borrowed that you have to pay on top of the loan amount. Different types of loans include personal loans, mortgages, loans for buying a house, student loans, and business loans. On the other hand, credit refers to the ability of a customer to purchase goods or services before payment. This is based on the trust that payment will be made in the future. A common example of this is a credit card. Here are some key terms related to loans and credit. Interest rate. This is the percentage of a loan that is charged as interest to the borrower. Principal. The principal of a loan is the initial amount of money borrowed. Credit score. This is a number assigned to a person that indicates their creditworthiness based on their credit history. Debt. Money that is owed or due. Installments. Regularly scheduled payments that repay the loan over a certain period of time. Remember these terms as they are integral to understanding and discussing loans and credit. Let's look at some conversations related to loans and credit. Conversation 1. A. I'm thinking about taking out a loan to buy a car. B. Have you checked the interest rates? They can be quite high. Conversation 2. A. I used my credit card to buy the new phone. B. Just make sure to pay it off quickly to avoid too much debt. Understanding loans and credit is a vital part of banking and financial services, especially when it comes to English vocabulary. This knowledge will not only help you in real-life situations but also in understanding the global economy. Keep practicing these terms and use them in your daily English conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and keep exploring the language. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!